Hi all, so today we are working on a 2018 IVECO Daily van. Customers come in and want a stereo upgrade. So currently we are running the original stereo. It's very basic, very limited, and a customer wants a touchscreen solution. So what we've done, we've gone ahead and fitted a KENWOOD 8021. Now, as you guys can see, it's got a custom fascia, the texture matches up, but also as well the stereo itself looks pretty much great. Everything is integrated, things like steering wheel controls, you can answer your phones. Now at the moment we are running CarPlay, which is what the customer wants. So we got a sat nav on the left, we got our music on the right, we can also talk to it. If I don't want to use that system, I can just go ahead and listen to my digital radio. We've got a hideaway USB at the bottom, but generally you've got so many different options on here, from your DAB to your CarPlay, Android Auto. You can also wirelessly mirror our phone if you watch things like your Netflix or your YouTube. Overall, looks great, feels great, and definitely one to upgrade your van too.